Let me guess. You want to speak Spanish fast, but you're too lazy to read boring books, sit through grammar lessons, or join overpriced classes, right? Good news, you don't have to. Because I've got the shortcut, the cheat code, the lazy way to start speaking Spanish today, without studying, without reading, without monthly fees. And yeah, it actually works. Here's the real talk. Most people waste months, even years, trying to learn Spanish the wrong way. They get stuck in classrooms, download apps they never open, or buy giant books they never read. They start, but never finish. And after all that time, they still can't hold a real conversation when it matters most, at the airport, at a restaurant in Mexico, Spain, Colombia, or on a date. Sound familiar? I've seen it hundreds of times. People with the desire, but no time, no discipline, no energy after work. And let's be honest, most of us are just too damn tired to study. But here's the kicker. While you're stuck feeling embarrassed, awkward, and frustrated every time someone says, "Hablas español?" there are people just like you skipping the boring stuff and actually speaking Spanish in days. They're traveling, ordering tacos like a local, getting better deals, connecting with people, even impressing their friends, all without opening a book, just by listening. Meanwhile, you're still thinking about it, still stuck on a traditional method, wondering why you can't stay motivated. This isn't a motivation problem. It's a method problem. I created Spanish for newbies, for people just like you. Though I don't want to study crowd. The lazy learners. The overworked dreamers. And it works. Here's what you get for just $27, one time. Over 400 audio lessons designed for lazy listening. Zero reading, zero grammar rules, zero pressure. Binge it while you're driving, cooking, walking, or chilling. Bonus, travel Spanish program so you can survive and thrive on your next trip. Instant download. Yours forever. No subscriptions. No BS. This isn't just about learning Spanish. It's about getting it done. Fast. Easy. Stress-free. And for less than the price of 3 lattes. Because all you have to do is press play. What if I don't have time? You do. Because all you have to do is listen. What if I'm not good at languages? Perfect. This course is made for people who suck at studying. Just plug in and repeat. Easy. What if it doesn't work for me? Try it. If you don't love it, you're out $27, but odds are you'll be speaking Spanish faster than you ever imagined. That's a tiny risk for massive upside. You know what happens when you speak Spanish. You level up. You instantly look smarter, sexier, more cultured. People notice. You stand out. You connect deeper. You travel better. It's a skill that pays for itself 10x over. And right now, for just $27, you can have that edge. But don't wait. This is a no-brainer friendly deal that could disappear or increase in price anytime. Over 100,000 people have used this exact method to start speaking Spanish in record time. The question is, are you the next winner? So here's the move: grab the Spanish for Newbies audio course, download it instantly, and start speaking Spanish by this weekend. No books, no stress, just pure results. You'll thank yourself later.